While manual pepper and salt mills tend to deliver a more consistent grind, the best electric pepper grinders offer effortless, one-handed use that's easy on the wrists and the eyes. Many home cooks love the sleek look of the often stainless steel, more modern-looking electric pepper grinders. It's true that a battery-powered pepper grinder can be a bit heavier than a manual mill, but one-touch electric models are ideal for anyone looking for convenience and are especially great for those with painful conditions like arthritis. When shopping for an electric pepper and salt grinder, a key factor to consider is the material of the grinding mechanism. Materials can vary, though most of the mills we found were ceramic or metal, typically stainless steel. A ceramic mill provides a more consistent grind while also being more versatile than metal. Electric pepper mills with ceramic grinders can be used for salt or other dried spices without concerns of corrosion of the materials over time. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best electric salt and pepper grinder set 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Zaria brand. Just twist the knob at the top of each electric salt and pepper grinder to set your desired coarseness. Easily control the texture of your spice grind from coarse to extra fine 6 levels. Perfect for grinding sea salt, black pepper, white pepper, and other spices. No extra battery needed. Use Type-C cable for fast charging. Fully charged in just 1 hour. Charging for 5 minutes. This electric salt and pepper grinder set can grind 10G pepper. Type-C cable is included. Not cheap-looking white light or unclear blue light anymore. Our automatic salt and pepper grinder set with warm LED light is bright and gentle. Adds a warm and romantic atmosphere for your family or loved ones. The light will automatically turn on during, which helps to prevent the food from being over-seasoned. One button control. Just press the button for easy grinding. One black pepper grinder is only 256G, perfect for one-hand operation. The salt and pepper grinder set have a brush and a wooden spoon for cleaning and refilling. Ceramic grinding cores grinding the spices more finely and stable. PC food-grade acrylic chamber design with no risk of glass breakages. This electric pepper grinder have a bottom cover to help keep your spices fresh and your kitchen tidy. Number 4 in our top is from the Asofty brand. He wants to turn it on. During the grinding process, you can easily operate with one hand without pressing and holding the switch. In addition, the Asofty pepper grinder takes 10S/120S timing function. You can choose the time of grinding. You can also stop at any time with one click, let you free your hands to prepare your food. The Asofty electric pepper mill takes 2 charging methods, Type-C charging port. Multifunctional charging base can be used for both charging and storage. Unique contact design. Supports 360 degrees rotation during charging. At the same time, you can also use the Type-C USB cable to connect the pepper grinder to charge. Unique LED light design. You can not only easily see amount of salt and pepper you put in your food, but also see the storage area. Turn the grinder knob at the bottom part of the device to adjust your favorite coarseness. Stepless adjustment design. Rotate clockwise into fine particles and rotate counterclockwise to grind into coarse particles. This salt grinder takes stainless steel and acrylic material, wear resistant to prevent rust. Top quality ceramic rotor offers long time durability and can grind against the toughest peppercorns, green beans, sea salt, or other spices. Safety design. The pepper grinder stops working automatically if it hits a stone. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Prime brand. Unlike other manual or AAA battery-operated pepper mill, this electronic pepper grinder has built in a rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium battery, letting you charge anywhere without hassle battery replacement. Ultra-long standby time. A single charge can support pepper grinders 200-300 using times. It can be used for about 2-3 months per charge. The package contains a charging base, USB cable, and power adapter. Just place the grinder on the charging base to charge it. The charging base is designed as a tray for the grinder to help keep kitchen surfaces cleaner and tidier. Charging base and USB cable, power adapter are separable structure. The charging base can be placed anywhere as a tray for the grinder. If there is a power socket nearby, you can keep the grinder always fully charged. When you use the grinder outdoors, you can install the rubber cover on the bottom of the grinder. Tap once to turn it on. During the grinding process, you can easily operate with one hand without pressing and holding the switch. Unlike a gravity-operated grinder that returns the broken pepper to the container every time, this grinder doesn't need to be flipped. This rechargeable Peppermill has a big and wide mouth spice container, acrylic body. It is very convenient to refill spices. The 200 milliliters large capacity spice container eliminates the need to refill the spices frequently. Turn the grinder knob on the bottom of the device to adjust the coarseness you like. There's a blue LED light on the bottom of the grinder. With the help of the LED light, you can observe the amount of spices on the food at any time. Number 2 in our top is from the Rechargeable brand. The automatic seasoning mill has a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery. It does not require additional disposable batteries, which is more environmentally friendly and economical. When you are preparing a lunch, the traditional 6 disposable battery-powered electric pepper grinder will strike if it has no electricity, and this salt and pepper grinder only needs a USB charging cable to work again. This USB rechargeable salt pepper grinders can be easily adjusted the coarseness from fine to coarse for perfect grind and seasoning by rotating the adjustable knob at the bottom of the salt and pepper shakers. So when you have this electric spice grinder, you can easily sprinkle salt and pepper on your favorite food. This makes it convenient and fun to grind salt and pepper, and it is very suitable for the elderly, child and women. This auto pepper grinder has a large unbreakable capacity of 280 milliliters, which means you don't have to change the salt and pepper very frequently and worry about the dispenser breaking during use. And you can easily see the fill level and spot when the mills need refillable. This electric salt and pepper mill is very simple to operate. It can be easily operated with one hand. The electric salt and pepper shakers adopts advanced gravity sensing design. You just press the button once, then tilt the pepper grinder to start automatic grinding. An automatically lit LED light at the bottom will help you see how much pepper has been poured. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Sweet Alice brand. This electric pepper grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered, each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper grinder use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. Transparent acrylic material at the bottom allows you to see the remaining spices and convenient to distinguish the spices in the grinder. With the blue LED light, blue light is not only bright but also gentle. You can easily to see amount of pepper, salt and other grain you put in your food. Which electric salt and pepper grinder set would you like to buy for your kitchen? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.